Come here. Come stand over here. There. Now, Lewis is going to give me the bottle of water, and I'm going to receive it. Thank you. Now I have a bottle of water. That's in the body. That's in the natural. A lot of people, a lot of Christians, a lot of people that are trying to get somewhere, trying to break through, are treating Jesus in the same manner. When you need breakthrough, it's not in the body, it's not in the natural, it's spiritual. Now, who knows how the firemen take the injured people out of a fire using one hand? Come here, Liz. Young man, you learned something tonight. When you go into a fire, you throw the person over your shoulders. Put your hand, your arms through between his legs, and you hold the hand so that he doesn't fall. It frees your other hand to drag his wife out by the hair. But here's the problem. To receive him, receive Jesus in your heart this morning. But guess where Jesus is? He's on my shoulder. And he's getting mighty heavy. And I'm running out of breath. So here's what's going to happen. Here's what's going to happen. Somewhere along the line, if you treat receiving Jesus as in the natural, as in the body, somewhere on the line, Jesus, you're going to find, is too heavy for you. Somewhere along the line, you're going to park Jesus somewhere and continue on your own. That's why you don't have the breakthrough this morning. Because when you look within your heart, half an hour you prepared to come to church this morning? And you look good. You pass the dressing table, you grab the bottle, and you smell good. But what about your heart this morning? You need to receive him in the Spirit. You know what? The minute you receive Jesus in your heart, the Bible says you have a right. You have a right. Despite your difficulties, your issues, your problems, you have a right. Oh, sorry, sir. Go on and die, begin to heal. Thank you. Give a hand to Lewis.